Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 25, 2024. 4-star Sudoku. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 9. Column I, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 8. So it can't come with the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G and 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column H, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 7th row, 9th row, column E, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column F, column D, 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row, column C, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, column C, 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Column A, column B, 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. First row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 8. Column E, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 217, ninth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 216, fourth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column E and 4th row we have pair numbers 3 and 6, so 3 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column E, column D, 7th row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row, column A we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column A, column B we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, 7th row and 7th grade we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 7th row we have 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, column D we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. And column E we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column E we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column D we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, and then 1 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. 7th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th row and 8th grade, column D, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. First grade and second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, column A we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th grade, column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.